train coming, so I'm gonna keep recording.
The emergency horn is off right now.
I'm gonna stop recording until it comes, actually.
At the front of this train is Go Cab Car 345. And at the back is Go Train 646.
Okay. Got Go train coming. New cab car. Oh, we got an old cab car there.
At the front of this train is Go Engine 660, which I have seen before at Union Station. And at the back is Go Cab Car 380.
And here comes the Go train. And normal cab car.
Normal cab car is 380.
380. Ladies and gentlemen, we have people on the tracks. Must be doing work.
This train is the same as before, but with Go Cab Car 380 leading. We did get a horn salute from this one.
Here it comes. And that train that we saw earlier is coming back. There still is workers on the track. Cab car 380. Old cab car. Engine 660, which I've seen before at Unions.
At the front of this train is via 914. Everybody, thanks for watching, and I actually have a funny story to share about this Railfanning. The VIA actually snuck up on us and gave us a horn salute before I was recording. We had some pretty friendly crews today, so yeah.